Donkey Kong on the ZX. Real ZX Spectrum. Real CRT TV. I'm using the SCART, of course. So RGB from the Spectrum. Great picture. And this fantastic port. Wow. Donkey Kong never been this fun for me. This is just so great to have this on the ZX Spectrum. And the graphic is amazing. And the sound is amazing. So it's like, what more could you ask for? The gameplay is spot on. Very, very fun. Yeah, that's good playing. So many levels, just love it. And it's never the same. So when I'm playing a level, it's different. It's changing the enemy, where they're coming from, etc. So, oops. Oh, okay, good. Ooh. Here's getting slow. Going against this. Oi. Gonna go up now. Ah. So I didn't take anything, the umbrella, anything, but I just wanted to show the levels as much as I can. No. Oh. No. I should have practiced a little bit more. But it's really, really fun. Just love it. Oh, sorry people. Oof. One more time. Come on now. Yeah, thankfully. Now we can see level 4. Oh, this one is difficult. This is difficult. I didn't get through that one when I tried playing it before. No! Oh, I jumped there. Yeah, game over. But what a game. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next retro game or computer demo.